O, ata Maori e wānau, whānau, hānau. Aha koa, te aha, no hea, no whea, no wea koe. Kai a koe tō mana, kai a koe tō reo, nā tō rohe. No reira, Mauri ora. Okay, so today's kupu of the day, o tamatou nei kupu o te rā, nei. Whoosh, look at that, our building's going up, yeah. Is Raetihi. That is Raetihi. Okay, not Raetihi, Raetihi. Alright, so that is spelled R-A-E-T-I-H-I. Raetihi. The hardest part in this whole kupu is actually the first part, which is rae. Alright, and pronouncing that. So rae. Now, easiest way to sort of do that, if you know how to say the word rye, as in rye bread, alright, and then you just roll your R so that you get that r, as in ta-ra, alright, and you put those two together, r and the I, rye, then you got rye. What a dumb way to explain it. Anyway, rye is how you want to pronounce that. So, like I said, if you know how to say rye, as in rye bread, fry bread, alright, so just roll your R before you say the rye, and then you'll have that first part, rye. Alright, now, you English have been pronouncing Maori syllables for a long time. Alright, one example is, all those in favour, say aye. Aye. You've been saying that in your courtrooms for a long time. All those in against, say nay. Nay. So, pronounce your bloody words properly. Stop being so lazy. Alright, repeat after me. Rai, ti, hi. Alright, so those last two tihi, it's really easy. Just short. Alright, tihi. Rai, tihi. Alright, rai, tihi. Not raetihi. Rai, tihi. Raetihi. 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 Mate, that was easy. Blah. Thrive up. Might patch you somewhere. Sure.